Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Daniel.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Emma, do you like the morning?
Yes, I do. I like the morning very much.
Why do you like the morning?
The morning is quiet and fresh.
I agree. The air feels very nice.
Yes, it is a good time to start the day.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, but I like it.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do.
Does the alarm wake you up?
Yes, it rings every morning.
Do you get up right away?
Sometimes I do.
And sometimes?
Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
I do that too.
Really?
Yes, it is hard to leave a warm bed.
That is true.
What is the first thing you do?
I open my eyes and smile.
That sounds nice.
Then I make my bed.
I also make my bed.
It makes the room look clean.
Yes, a clean room feels good.
I think so too.
What do you do next?
I go to the bathroom.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face with cold water.
Does it help you wake up?
Yes, it helps a lot.
Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
How long do you brush your teeth?
About 2 minutes.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
Do you look in the mirror?
Yes, I do.
What do you think?
Sometimes I look sleepy.
Not as funny.
It's true.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually do.
Do you like hot water or cold water?
I like warm water.
Me too.
Warm water feels relaxing.
After your shower, what do you do?
I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
Most days, yes.
What color do you like to wear?
I like blue and white.
Those are beautiful colors.
Thank you.
Then do you eat breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important.
I agree. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds delicious. What about you?
I eat cereal and drink milk.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.
Tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
I like tea too.
It is warm and relaxing.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I always drink a glass of water.
That is a healthy habit.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music
Why?
because it makes me feel calm.
That sounds wonderful. What about you? I like happy songs.
They give you energy.
Yes, they do.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Sometimes.
Do you read messages?
Yes, but not for a long time.
That is a good idea.
I want to enjoy my morning.
I understand. Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do a little stretching.
Oh, really?
Yes, it helps my body wake up.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you. What about you?
I go for a short walk. Wow, every day?
Most days, yes.
Where do you walk?
I walk near my house.
That sounds nice.
Yes, the street is quiet in the morning.
I like quiet streets too.
Do you look at the weather in the morning?
Yes, I always check the weather.
Why do you check the weather?
I want to know what to wear.
That makes sense.
Do you check the weather too?
Yes, I check it on my phone.
Is it easy to check?
Yes, very easy.
Technology is helpful.
I agree completely.
What do you do before you leave the house?
I check my bag,
What is in your bag?
my keys, my wallet, and my phone.
Those are important things.
Yes, very important.
Do you ever forget something?
Sometimes I forget my keys.
Oh no.
Yes, then I have to go back.
That sounds stressful.
A little bit, but it's okay.
I understand. Do you say goodbye to your family?
Yes, I always say goodbye.
That is nice. Family is important to me.
I agree, family is very important.
What time do you leave the house?
I leave around 7:30.
That is not too early.
No, it's a good time for me.
How do you go to work?
I usually walk.
That is good exercise.
Yes, and it's free.
That is true. Walking is free.
Emma, let's talk about English now.
Okay, let's do it.
We used many action words today.
Yes, like wake up, and get dressed.
Those are called phrasal verbs.
What is a phrasal verb?
It is a verb with 2 words together.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Wake up means to stop sleeping.
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Let's give another example.
Great idea.
Get up means to leave your bed.
Correct. I wake up, then I get up.
That is a simple sentence.
Yes, and easy to remember.
What about get dressed?
Get dressed means to put on your clothes.
I get dressed after my shower.
Perfect example.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about verbs.
Regular verbs or irregular verbs?
Both. Let's start with regular verbs.
Okay.
A regular verb adds ed in the past.
Can you give an example?
Yes. Brush becomes brushed.
I brushed my teeth this morning.
Perfect sentence.
What is another regular verb?
Wash becomes washed.
I washed my face this morning.
Excellent.
Regular verbs are easy.
Yes, they follow one simple rule.
What about irregular verbs?
Irregular verbs do not follow the rule.
That sounds harder.
A little bit, but practice helps.
Can you give an example?
Yes. Wake becomes woke.
Not waked.
No, it is irregular, so it changes.
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Great sentence.
What is another irregular verb?
Eat becomes ate.
I ate breakfast this morning.
Perfect.
Drink becomes drink.
Yes, I drank tea this morning.
This is very helpful.
I am happy to hear that.
Let's talk about pronunciation too.
Good idea.
How do we say clothes?
We say it like clothes.
The TH is quiet.
Yes, exactly. Many learners find this word tricky.
I will practice it.
That is a great plan.
What about breakfast?
We say it like breakfast.
Not break fast?
No, the sound is short and quick.
I will remember that.
Practice makes it easier.
That is true.
Let's make one more example sentence.
Okay.
I had breakfast this morning.
That is a perfect daily routine sentence.
Yes, it uses 3 verbs together.
This is easy to remember.
I'm glad you think so.
Learning English this way is fun.
I agree completely. Now, listeners, what about you?
Yes. What time do you wake up every morning?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to know your morning routine.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Tell us in the comments below.
We read every comment.
Yes, we really do. Let's continue our conversation.
Emma, what do you think about weekends?
Weekend mornings are different for me.
Oh, really? How are they different?
I wake up later on weekends.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up around 9 o'clock.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it is very relaxing.
Do you still eat breakfast?
Yes, but a bigger breakfast.
What do you eat?
Sometimes pancakes or eggs.
That sounds delicious.
It is a special treat.
Do you exercise on weekends too?
Yes, but a longer walk.
That sounds nice.
What about you, Daniel?
I also wake up later.
How much later?
About 1 hour later.
That is a good rest.
Yes, my body needs it.
Rest is important for health.
I completely agree.
Morning routines can teach us a lot.
Yes, they show our habits.
Good habits make a good day.
That is very true.
I think a calm morning helps my mood.
I feel the same way.
A rushed morning feels stressful.
Yes, I try to avoid that.
How do you avoid feeling rushed?
I wake up a little earlier.
That is smart.
It gives me more time.
Time is very valuable.
Yes, especially in the morning.
This has been a wonderful conversation.
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
We learned new words today.
Wake up, get dressed, and get up.
Also, woke, ate, and drank.
Great review, Emma.
Thank you, Daniel.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow.
We make new videos every week.
So please come back and learn with us.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about morning activities.
And we practiced useful English too.
I hope this helps your English.
Practice every day and you will improve.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.